Welcome everybody. We are back with our students from the Baylor College of Medicine Academy at Ryan, the same group that we interviewed 2 years ago. I'm here with Farooq Siddiqui, with Camille Ofuluwe, and with Nora Al-Hamadani. I'm here with Nora Al-Hamadani. So Nora, welcome back.
Thank you. I'm really glad to be here.
Wonderful. So 2 years ago when we spoke, you were interested in becoming a surgeon of some kind. You mentioned possibly a neurosurgeon, possibly cardiovascular surgeon, but you weren't sure. How have things moved on? Where are you today?
Well, after the whole Pumps and Pipes thing, I finished the neuroscience class, and that was really fun. We got to dissect a lot of things and interact with all these different parts of the body and like different animals. And then in 7th grade, I actually took a health science class, and we got to learn about all types of the body systems and focus on each different part. And I felt like the respiratory system was the most that was really interesting to me whenever we were learning about it. So right now I'm kind of leaning towards becoming a pulmonary surgeon, because I think it's so different than just becoming a cardio surgeon, which we have a lot of those. I just wanted to do something different.
I'm here with Camille Ofuluwe, who I first met 2 years ago, and you had a very broad vision as to what you wanted to be. You might become a pediatrician and find the cure to cancer and get that out of the way before you started tackling some real world problems. So tell me how those dreams have progressed since that time.
Okay, I still think I want to be a pediatrician. And then again, I'm 13 right now, and so I might not want to do that, let's say 5 years from now. But another field I'm looking into is cardiology. Last year in 7th grade, we took a class called scientific decision making, and at the end of the year, we started focusing on the heart, and I thought it was really cool how the heart works, and I just want to study that a little bit more. So.
Well, I'm a heart surgeon, and I completely agree with you. We have discussions with our brain surgeon colleagues, and there's no doubt that if the heart didn't work, nothing would work, right?
Yes.
I'm here with Farooq Siddiqui. It was my great pleasure to interview you, Farooq, 2 years ago. And my word, have you grown. You're almost as tall as I am now, so that's a wonderful thing. 2 years ago, you told me that you wanted to be a biomedical engineer. So where are you now, 2 years after that?
Well, I still really want to be a biomedical engineer, and I've kind of expanded on that because in 6th grade I took neuroscience, and in 7th grade I took health science. And now in 8th grade I have an elective, which is robotics, and I'm a really good robot I'm really good at programming the robots to do what I want them to do, to move stuff, to make their arms move up and down, and move precisely how I want them to.
When did you make the decision to go into biomedical engineering? It's a very specific thing.
In 5th grade, I was actually very interested in engineering, and medicine was also on my mind. And then I checked in an engineering tablet that was in our 5th grade class, and it talked about how medicine and engineering was actually very closely connected. And I saw the first thing was biomedical engineering. I'm like, I really want to do that.
I see the ambition and the determination that you have. I know that our society, the future generation, our society is in safe hands. So I wish you the best of luck, and it's been a real pleasure.